The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Addition of Fractions, Example 44, 11 by 15 plus 45, 19 by 20. Unlike previous examples, the current one has two complex fractions where the whole numbers, numerators and denominators all have 2 digits, and let us see how the addition process goes. The denominators of the two fractions are 15 and 20, and therefore the least common denominator is 60. Set the common denominator 60 in the extreme right of the abacus. That is, place 6 of the common denominator in the tens column and 0 in the units column. What is the whole number of the first fraction? It is 44. So, set 44 in the section meant for the whole numbers. That is 4 in the 8th column from the extreme right of the abacus and 4 to the right of 4 in the 7th column. With this, add the whole number of the second fraction 45. That is, you have to add 4 with 4. We can't do that, and therefore add 5 in the upper abacus and clear 1 in the lower abacus. Now add 5 with the 4 and the added value becomes 89. Now take the fraction part of the first number, it is 11 by 15. Set the numerator 11 in the extreme left of the abacus. Now skip one column to the right of it and set the denominator 5. By keeping your left hand on the 15 and right hand on the common denominator 60, ask how many 15s in 60. By saying 4, you clear the 15 and set 4. With these 4, multiply the numerator 11. By saying 44, you have to set the 44 in the section meant for the numerator. That is, 4 should be set in the 4th column and 4 in the 5th column from the extreme right of the abacus. Now clear the numbers set in the extreme left. After clearing, set the numerator of the second fraction 19 by 20 in the extreme left of the abacus. Set 19 in the extreme left, skip one column to the right of it and set the denominator to 0. By keeping your left hand on the 20 and right hand on the common denominator 60, ask how many 20s in 60. By saying 3, you clear the 20 and set 3 there. With this 3, multiply the numerator 19. The knowledge of multiplication tables helps the child in doing simple multiplications involving 1 or 2 digits. In case the child needs to multiply 3 with 19 in the abacus itself, that can be done on a separate abacus and the results noted here. By saying 3 multiplied by 19 equals 57, you have to add this with the already existing 44. That is, 7 should be added in the 4th column and 5 in the 5th column from the extreme right of the abacus. 5 plus 4 becomes 9. In the next stage, 7 should be added with 4, which can't be done, and therefore you have to add one number in the higher column. We can't do that, and therefore move to the left and add 1. That is, we have added 100 instead of 7, and therefore delete 93 from the abacus, which makes the result as 101 in the numerator. In this problem, your numerator value is 101 and the denominator value is 60. Now ask, how many 60s in 101? By saying 1, add 1 with the already existing 89 in the whole number section, thus making it 90. At the same time, 60 must be subtracted from 101. Now you have 41 in the numerator section and 60 in the denominator section, which is in the right form. At this stage, check all the 3 sections of the result. You have 90 as the whole number, 41 as the numerator, and 60 as the denominator. That is, the answer is 90, 41 by 60.